how to transfer domain from Hostinger to Bluehost. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let us show you the steps that you would need to do to transfer that domain. So over here right now, as you can see, we're currently in Hostinger. What you're first going to do is you're going to navigate to the domain that you want to transfer. Click on Manage, and you're going to look through all of this. Disable the privacy protection and transfer lock. The authorization code is very important as well. Next is that you're going to modify or change the name servers. Over here in Bluehost, the name servers are the following: ns1.bluehost.com. Simply modify the name servers of your domain. After that, you would need to have a Bluehost account manager, which you can simply just navigate to the domains and click on Start Transfer In. And you're just basically going to submit this website or this domain. And as long as your transfer lock and authorization code is available, you will be able to do the transfer. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.